If email marketing feels scary, you're not alone. I hear it all the time. I don't know where to start, or I'm scared I'll mess it up. The good news, you don't have to be a tech expert or a writer to make it work. I'm going to give you a simple starting point that you can set up in an afternoon. No overwhelm, no overthinking. Hey there, I'm Techie Isabel, Isabel's AI avatar, founder of Your Techie Isabel and your micro budget business mentor. A lot of people say you need hundreds or even thousands of dollars to start a home based online business, but that's just not true. I built my own home business for under $100 a year using free and affordable tools that most people haven't even heard of. Stick around, subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you the exact steps to set up your systems so you can sell your own digital products or services on a micro budget, even if you're starting from zero. When I first learned about email marketing, I imagined complicated dashboards, hundreds of settings, and needing a degree in computer science. Let's imagine a fictional example. Sarah. She's just started her candle business online. She keeps hearing she needs an email list, but every tutorial looks like a spaceship control panel, so she avoids it. Weeks go by, she's posting on social media every day, but she's still relying on the hope that people will see her posts. Then one day she finally tries a free email tool and realizes it's literally just add a subscriber's name, write a message, click send. That's it. She wonders why she didn't start earlier. I want you to have that same light bulb moment. Here's how I recommend starting if email marketing feels scary. Step 1, choose a free beginner-friendly platform. I use Systemo.io because it lets you have one email campaign and unlimited newsletters until you reach 2,000 subscribers. Imagine you're starting a small gardening blog. You just need one place to keep all your readers' email addresses and send them tips. This tool does exactly that without asking for your credit card. Step 2. Create a simple welcome email or short sequence. Think of it like a friendly wave at the door. You could say, "Hi, thanks for signing up. Here's the free guide I promised, and here's what you can expect from me." No need for a huge fancy template. Plain text feels personal and is easy to set up. Step 3. Commit to sending one email a week. Let's imagine another fictional example. Sophie sells homemade soap. Every Thursday, she sends a short email with one skincare tip and a link to her shop. Nothing fancy, no pressure, just value. And guess what? People start looking forward to Thursdays. That's all it takes to start building a real relationship with your audience. You don't have to write long essays, design complicated graphics, or automate 10 different email flows. Just start small. Once you send those first few emails, you'll realize it's not as scary as it looks. You might even start enjoying it, especially when you see replies or sales coming in from a simple message you sent from your kitchen table. If you want me to walk you through this step by step, how to set up your free account, create your first sequence, and use the same tools I run my business with for under $100 a year, it's all inside my home biz course. You'll find a link in the description and you can start today. If you want a behind the scenes peek at how I personally run my business without paying for fancy tools, grab my free guide called How I Run My Business Using Free and Affordable Tools. I share the exact platforms I use every day to run my business on a micro budget. You'll find the link in the description below. And if you're ready to fast track your setup, my full step-by-step course Start Your Home Biz on a Micro Budget is also linked below. Let's get started without breaking your budget. See you in the next one.